Today, we're at the old flagship Federal Credit Union in beautiful downtown Port Huron. The new owner has hired me to clean this parking lot right up. As you can see, there's a lot of work here. Vegetation is coming through the cracks. That's all got to be cleaned out and filled. The blocks have been all pushed around. They've all got to be put back in place. The entire parking lot needs to be cleaned up and seal coated and restriped. The very first thing we do is take our weed whip and remove the vegetation from the cracks. This is one of the things that happens when you don't seal coat. Look at all the stones that are coming out of the top of this asphalt. The pavement is drying out and it's starting to ravel and you're losing your thickness. Parking lot's all been cleaned up. The cracks are all filled. It's time to seal it. I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I can't believe you guys. None of you guys are using a hose man. You're dragging the stupid hose all the way across the parking lot and putting all that pressure on the hose. I don't know how you control your wand. The job of a hose man is to keep a loop in the hose so the operator has the freedom to go anywhere he needs to go, and then he controls the pressure on the hose. I have absolutely no pressure on me whatsoever. I don't know how you guys are spraying, dragging the hose. Well, it's been a couple of weeks since we finished this project, and I thought you might like to see a before and after. And remember, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you later!